Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all another unboxing. It's from Nykaa Luxe and it's one of my first purchases from DIOR. Of course, it's makeup and perfume and I'm super excited for this. I did upload a shorts about it a couple of months back, but here is a proper unboxing. So I ordered it a while back and yeah, I'm excited to try it and share it with you all. So of course, when you open, you get all of these things. I have purchased 2 products and the rest are freebies. First here you can see is the DIOR Forever foundation. Oh my god, I tried it out. I love it. After I'm over with my Charlotte Tilbury foundation, this is going to be next in my list. And then we've got the other things that I purchased. So first I have here is the DIOR roll-on perfume. So I am a big fan of the DIOR perfumes, especially the rollerball ones. I feel they last a bit longer, easy to carry along, and to be honest, they're not really affordable. It's literally the same price as a 50 ml bottle of their spritz perfume. So I have the Miss Dior perfume in the roll-on version, and I decided to get the DIOR perfume because, as you know, I'm going to be a 2025 bride and I wanted another roll-on perfume. I love this. I was a kid when my father had got this for my mom and I used to use it quite a lot, the spritz version. And I decided why not to get the rollerball. It's a very mature, feminine, sweet floral scent, perfect for such kind of events, and would highly recommend you guys to get it. And I feel like the consistency of their roll-ons are a bit thicker and longer lasting. So yeah, the next thing that I got is my first DIOR makeup, which is their Backstage lip and cheek tint sort of a thing. So it is their glow stick. I love the packaging. I just love it. They have nailed it. It's so luxe and premium. It is plasticky. I mean, I won't say it's plasticky. It's more like acrylic. And I picked up the shade 012 Rosewood. It's a beautiful muted pink shade, perfect for skin tones like mine. And it's got the Christian Dior logo on it. It's very smooth and buttery. I actually used it for one of a very important event in my life. And then after that, I've not yet used it. So I'm probably going to use it during my ceremony, like the wedding ceremonies. It's a beautiful shade, long lasting and multi-purpose. Then here comes the freebies. So I was lucky enough to get my hands on these freebies. And when I saw that these were the freebies, I immediately checked out and bought it. So I had seen so many videos about these freebies, and sole reason was that it's like a multi-purpose freebie. So with this, I got this beautiful pink puff pouch of DIOR, and the best part is there's no DIOR written. They have the Christian Dior logo. So it's one of their classic purse looks, and I can easily convert this puff pouch into a sling bag, and that's the main reason I got all these. I feel like I can't wait to use it more. DIOR bags are super expensive. Maybe one day we'll buy it. But this is a very great alternative, you know. Although it looks like a bag, clearly. So I'm super happy about it. And it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. The color is perfect. So with this, I also got more freebies. So inside this bag, there are 2 more freebies. Of course, makeup samples. And they are not like mini. They are pretty deluxe samples. So first here, as you can see, I've got these 2 samples. We have got the mascara and their lip maximizer. I've heard such good reviews about the lip maximizer, so I'm happy that I get to try it out first. I haven't tried either of this. I think I tried the mascara, yes, but not the maximizer yet. So it's their classic zero neutral color. And yeah, I'm excited to try it out. The shape is also exactly the same, and the DIOR mascara as well. So yeah, this was my little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it.